This is the first tiny build that we've done at Bear Campers. We've got all of our signature style that we do in the big vans. We've shrunk it down to make it work in a VW Transporter. The kitchen is such an important part of a van conversion. What we've done is basically use all the things we normally use, just made it smaller. So we've gone for a classic Scandi small square white tile with a nice ash detailing here, which ties in nicely with the ceiling, and also our usual ash window frames. So you've got these two wood materials that work really nicely together. So we've got a hob which is sunk into the kitchen top so that you can close it and have a little bit extra work surface as well. And below it we've got the usual small Dometic fridge that we put in, and then the electrics is in the sliding doors at the rear. You have a bed that you can pull down and it doubles as a ceiling. So when it's down, it looks like all of the other vans and all of the wood matches up together. One of my favourite parts of this van is this tiny little cubbyhole storage in here. We've put this cutout here and some elastic just so you can shove some stuff in there. This is a really cosy L-shaped sofa, but it also converts to a double bed. When you've got the doors closed, you literally can hardly see any van at all, and it really does feel like you're in a nice cosy room.